Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add in more designs and we edited some stuff. Now we're gonna continue working on this. What I'm planning to do is wrap around this extrusion or sweep around these walls, even in this one, so that we have some changes right here as well. We can also add some of the lights there. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to delete this portion. So edit in place. I'm going to select that, edit and extrusion. I'm only going to trim it here now and trim it on this side. The rest will be deleted. Now it's deleted. We can now then select this one, edit in place, select this one, edit sweep, and then pick path. Now I'm just going to select all this path that we are seeing today. Even right here. And then just delete the ones that are over. So now we're good. Click finish and then finish. It's basically the same thing, but we're using sweep in order to change this part. Now I'm just gonna add in a small incision for that. So I'm gonna select that, edit sweep again, select profile, edit profile, and then here I'm just going to add a small something like that, SL first, split element, and then TR, and then click finish. And that little space there gave it a more, like, it gave a better design in terms of how it looks. So I'm happy with how we did that. And then now what I'm gonna share this one as well. It's basically, I made a spotlight face base, and it's called spotlight face base circle spotlight. And then here I'm just going to add those all throughout this design. If you check, I think level 2 or level 3, let's see if those will appear. We might change the view range. So here, let's go to unlimited. And it's still not showing the spotlight that we created. So now what we could do is go back to level 3. Earlier we went to view range, and then here what we could do is, instead of looking down, we should need to change it to looking up. So let's try that one. So looking down right here, let's see if we could change that. Looks like it's grayed out, so we cannot do anything because it's not a ceiling form. So what we could do is just go to our view range. View range is right there. And then let's cut this. And then here, let's put this one at 3000. And then 3000 as well. It's still not showing. So now what I'm planning to do is undo those. So just undo those. And then now let's go to ceiling. Now in level 2, it's showing. So I think that's the best thing that we could do. And then we could add all of this easily. So we can even put this one on the right center line of the window. So we're doing this right there. Select that and then just click on copy. I think that's the best one. And then here we can add one more. I think the distance is around 1000. So roughly like that, we could add one more right here as well. And then here it's just some, so 1000 each. And then here let's add it in the center of each window. And then we could just keep on adding those. 1000. And then you can be accurate. You can even type it if you want, so that you want to be consistent. And then here let's add it in the middle again of each window, middle of the window as well, right here. And then maintain 1000. And then lastly like that. So if we look at it at 3D, we have everything added like that, and it looks nice. We could add this one as well right here. So what we usually do is select that again, CS, and usually I add one first and then just go back to ceiling. Once you add first, you can now manipulate it from here, and then you could just click on copy so that it's easier for you to keep on clicking. Again, I will provide this one later. So here let's add 2. There we go, it's perfect. So now we have enough lights to show right here, and we just need to add it from when we put it in Twinmotion. And then we could add in lights at the top here and on the side as well. This one, let's add it on this side. Edit extrusion, or now here, maybe we could add in a void extrusion. So invalid, just finish that. And it's not letting us, so don't worry about that. We could just do it on later on. I think we need to extrude this part now onto level 2 in order for us to create a void on the inside. And then here we need to add in an extrusion if we need to create a void. what we could do is we need to select this. This is not selectable. Set, pick a plane, this one, click finish. Sketch is invalid because the way we created this. If we try and do south elevation, let's try that again. Set, pick a plane, which is the front, click finish. So it's an invalid because the way we put it. So if you're planning to do some extra details, you need to make this sweep, and then this one, instead of extruding it from this wall, you need to extrude it from level 1. Because if you edit this, if you see the way we added the extrusion, edit extrusion, see, we extruded it from the wall. If you want to do it, you want to extrude it from this one. So if I want to add some details, I'm going to delete that, for example. Now I need to set. I want to pick ground floor. Now it created an extrusion right there. So now let's go to ground floor. Cancel this. Set to ground floor. You cannot make extrusion now because we have the same thing. But I'm not planning to do anything regarding here. So I'm just going to leave it like that for now. If I want, I'm just going to delete this and then do extrusion on both sides. The only thing is it will take longer. So I rather just keep it like that for now. So now this one, I just want to change this material to the same gypsum wallboard. So I just want it to be white. Okay. Those are the things that I will change right now. Then again, we need a ramp here. Why ramp? Because it's easy to create a ramp, a slope, instead of us creating a floor and then changing the height. So here, let's check it first in terms of width, 2400. So now, let's go to architecture, click on ramp. We need ground to level 1. Edit, ramp. It's saying 1200 maximum incline length. We want it to be 2400. Apply, OK. And then now we just need to add a ramp like that. Click finish. You will need to flip this, and it looks like that. Delete this and delete that. Now the problem we have here is it didn't complete the slope properly. It's because it needed more space because of the incline. So ramp, let's change this to 3. and it needs more. Click finish. There we go. We added more. And then now let's go back to ground again. Edit sketch, and we could expand this one all the way to the size right there. CS. We might actually just create something here. And let's look at it at 3D. So I just extended it a little bit on this side so that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create something like that. I think that's easier to see when we're creating the view. So go back here, edit sketch, and then this one, I'm gonna pull it all the way right here. And then I'm gonna extend it, and then trim and extend right here. And then there we go. So we could connect a floor right here, and then here as well. So we have our floor. Let's create a floor right here for our ground here that doesn't have any more inclines. So here I'm just gonna edit this one because I don't think we added any material. So right here, let's go here and then add in concrete. I'm gonna use this one, apply, okay, okay, and then right there. Good. Now let's add in, so let's add floors. So click on floor, edit type, duplicate, number 9 floor, and then this one should be concrete as well. Different kinds of concrete. Apply, okay, and then okay, okay. Now I'm just adding the framework. I'm planning to have something right here. Don't worry about that. We're gonna clean that up later on. TR. So some cleanup. Delete this. TR again here. Delete this. TR here. And then here, we could just extend that later. We just need to look. This one, we just need to okay, AL here, align, and then TR. Click finish, and then let's look at it. So here we just need something again. I want to have another ramp here, but for grass only, but the incline. This one we need to connect. Obviously we need to connect something right here. Going down. We might edit the way we put. Just undo that. We don't need a section box. So here, what we could do is click on riser and then have this one. I think it doesn't work like that. I'll just pick this line and let's just worry about that later on. We could add in something there just to fill it in, or we could have this one as well inclined up to this point. So yeah, we could actually just expand this out of our view. So if we edit this and then just expand it, so what we could do is expand this. So delete this first, and we don't need that view. And then here we could just expand and then right here click finish. Now it's out of our view, so it's still, we still have that incline that we have. And then we could just fix this at the end of that. We just need to add a floor right there from the level 1. That will be grassed. So click on, we could add this floor. This is floor number 4. So click floor, look for floor number 4. That is our grass. And we could just add something like that at the back. And here as well on the other side. I don't know if we could, I'll probably just join them all together. I'm gonna put another rectangle and then delete. So AL TR and then just delete this. TR right here and then TR right here. There we go. Click finish. Look at it at 3D like that. And then here we could add in the same ramp. So ground floor, edit. I don't know if we could add in another one. Let's see. No, it's not. So we need to create another one like this, but just duplicating ramp number 1. Because I want grass in front and then the same ramp onto this side. We could extend this again so that our view is much better. We could have this one as well. I'm going to edit the boundary, delete this, TR, delete this, TR this one, and then this will be the road. Let's just expand this, delete this, and then expand this as well. So that's perfect right there. Here probably a grass floored. I don't know what's going to happen with that, but I need the same idea right there. So ramp, same one. And then click finish. Flip it. And just delete that. And then here, we just need something right here. So from here, I will like to extend this one as well. So I'm going edit sketch. I'm going to AL, align it, and click finish. I know this is over. Edit boundary. I need to have a similar notch. And then TR. And then TR. Delete this. And delete that. Click finish. Now it looks like that. And this is the only thing that we need to manage. Let's see if we could add in a floor. Number 4, which is grass as well. Click finish. Look at it at 3D. I know there's a big one like that, but if you know, we could add in points, and then here just keep on clicking that space bar, that there we go. We can increase it. There we go. And then here, try to get that. space bar or tab, keep on tabbing it until you have that. And we could just pull it something like that above. There we go. Let's pull this one up a bit. Keep on tabbing. And then just manually put it up like that. I think that's good enough. And then we could just wrap around something around here by using extrusion. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to ground, model in place, generic model, and then here I'm just gonna simply add another extrusion. I'm gonna edit this, duplicate selected. This will be number 4. Press OK, and then just simply add something like this. This is 100, and then the length. We could add it around here. And then the way its extrusion is just put it just a little bit like that. So we still have the grass. And it's still looking good. And then here we could just edit and expand it more. And we could add in backgrounds later on here. This one we should edit boundary, expand it so we have perfect. Expand it again. Just to have that. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.